All right, Doug, show me what you see here.
We have a bent track bar, and what this bar does is it locates the axle in the proper place underneath the body. Once it's been bent, it's compromised.
Okay, and the safety of the vehicle is now compromised. So not only is the axle shifted over about an inch over here to the driver's side, it's also not going to drive straight, it's going to eat up tires. And if you are getting in an accident, now the stability of your vehicle is compromised. Another safety risk to you or your family or whoever might be driving this vehicle. So some big things you really need to be aware of when you're shopping out for these things. Yes, inspecting them properly takes the right equipment, it takes the right people, and that's why sometimes our vehicles might cost a little bit more than someone pulling this vehicle in off the streets. But you get this van fixed right, you're looking at $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and we are going to do that. But these are things you don't see that we do see, and that's why you buy from a professional with amazing reviews like we have at Affordable Mobility. More 5-star reviews on Google than any mobility dealership in the entire country. Let that sink in for a minute. Check us out at mobility316.com. Your safety of you, your family, and your business. You can't put a dollar amount on that, but we do have very affordable vehicles as well. So thanks for checking us out.